otshintshayo
If ever there is someone who is changing,
umuntu
it's a human being.
umuntu
A human being.
uyatshintsha
A human being changes.
makulomuntu otshintshayo
Ever there is someone who is changing,
umuntu
it's a human being.
umuntu uyatshintsha
A human being.
umuntu
A human being.
uyatshintsha
A
umuntu
human being changes.
wena
You.
uyatshintsha wena
You change.
makulomuntu
If
otshintshayo
ever there is someone who is changing,
umuntu
it's a human being.
uyatshintsha wena
You are so you're changing.
izolo
Yesterday,
izolo
just yesterday,
ubungagqokanga so
you are not dressed like this.
namhlanje utshintshile
Now you have changed.
uyatshintsha
You change.
makulomuntu otshintshayo
Whenever there is someone who is changing,
umuntu
it's a human being.
ifoni yakho leyonayo
The phone that you are currently carrying,
awusayifuni
you no longer want it
manje awunamali
because you don't have money.
akuthenga
You
i-iphone
can't afford to
15
buy an iPhone
kodwa
15.
le awusayifuni
But this one that you are carrying,
ufuna
you don't want it.
ukutshintsha
You want to
ngoba
change
uyatshintsha
because
wena
you are changing.
wena
You,
i-boyfriend leyonayo
the boyfriend you have, you
awusayifuni
no longer want him.
ufuna ukutshintsha
You want to replace.
makulomuntu otshintshayo
If ever there is someone who is changing,
umuntu
it's a human being.
imoto ohamba ngayo
The car that you are driving,
awusayifuni
you no longer like it.
ufuna
You
ukutshintsha
want to change.
uyatshintsha
You are
wena
changing, ever changing.
makulomuntu otshintshayo
If ever there is someone who is changing,
umuntu
it's a human being.
uyatshintsha
You are changing.
phela wena
You,
wawungakhonzi la
you are not worshiping here.
so watshintsha
You changed
wabuya la
and you came here.
ende ukhonapha
As you are here,
ufuna ukutshintsha
you
futhi
also want to
uye
change
ngale
and go and worship
ngoba
in here
uyatshintsha
because you are ever changing.
uyatshintsha wena
You are ever changing.